Hello children, we are going to start with practice set 10.2. Question number 1. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder. Here the term is given y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. In earlier exercise we have seen the polynomial divided by the monomial. Here by binomial. Binomial means two terms. So y plus 4 will multiply this term such that we get y square. So here it is explanation y plus 4 into y will give us y square. Don't worry about the next term what is coming. So y will be multiplied to 4 also. So plus 4y. So here when you multiply y plus 4 by y, we get y square plus 4y. In division method, we change the sign. So here it will be minus, here also it will be minus. So y square minus y square will get cancelled 0. 10y minus 4y equals to plus 6y. Bring down the next term plus 24. Now y plus 4 into such term we have to get, will get 6y. So explanation is there, y plus 4 into 6 equals to 6y plus 24. So here in quotient will come plus 6. So 6 into y is 6y. 6 into 4 is 24. Again minus sign. Plus 6y minus 6y will get 0. Plus 24 minus 24, 0. So here the quotient is y plus 6 and remainder is 0. So quotient y plus 6, remainder 0. Next problem. P square plus 7p minus 5 divided by p plus 3. Same method, p square we want, so multiply by p. So p plus 3 into p gives you p square plus 3p. So substitute the value here, p square plus 3p. Here you have multiplied p plus 3 into p. Again minus, so p square minus p square 0 plus 7p minus 3p will be plus 4p. Bring down the next term minus 5 here. Again multiply by such term, that is 4 here. So p plus 3 into 4 equals to 4p plus 12. 4p plus 12. Simplify this. So plus 4p minus 4p will become 0. Minus 5 minus 12 will become minus 17. So here the quotient is p plus 4 and remainder is minus 17. Remainder is minus 17. Next problem. 3x plus 2x square plus 4x cube divided by x minus 4. Here the terms are not in order. So write the dividend in descending order of their indices. Descending order means what? Here 3x plus 2x square plus 4x cube it is written there. So we will write greater index first. Then next smaller, next smaller. So it will be 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. So it goes easy for us for simplification also. Now here you see, so 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. Value doesn't change. It remains the same. So divided by x minus 4. What we want here? 4x cube. Here it is x. So multiply by 4x square. Here explanation is given. So you will get 4x cube minus 16x square. So substitute the values here. 4x square minus 16x square. Sign changes here minus. Here it is minus, so it becomes plus. So this term will become 0. And plus 2x square plus 16x square, it will be plus 18x square. Bring down the next term plus 3x. Now we want 18x square. Here it is x only. So multiply by 18x. So it will be 18x square. X minus 4 multiplied by 18x will be 18x square minus 72x. Substitute here, simplify, this term becomes 0. plus 3x plus 72x equals to 75x. Now here is also x raised to power 1, here is also x raised to power 1. So one more term we can take. 75 multiplied by x will be 75x. So x minus 4 into 75, you will get 75x minus 4 into 75 will be 300. So here the quotient becomes 4x square plus 18x plus 75. This is the quotient. Remainder is 300. So here 300 is the remainder. Next, 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9 divided by 2m minus 1. When we divide, again you see 2m cube it must be. So 2m is there, so multiply by m square. So you will get 2m cube minus m square. Substitute and simplify it. So 2m cube minus 2m cube will become 0. M square plus m square will be 2m square. Bring down the rest terms below. Now think about 2m square. Here it is 2m square, here it is 2m. So we will multiply by m. So 2m minus 1 into m equals to 2m square minus m. Again, sign changes as you know. Simplify it. This will become 0. M plus m will be 2m plus 9. Now here you see, here it is 2m. Here is also the term 2m. So multiply by 1. So 2m minus 1 into 1 will remain 2m minus 1. Substitute the value here. Simplify. 2m minus 2m 0. 9 plus 1 10. So here the quotient becomes m square plus m plus 1. This is the quotient here. And remainder is 10. So 10 remainder is here. Next problem. 3x minus 3x square minus 12 plus x raised to power 4 plus x cube divided by 2 plus x square. Again we will arrange in the descending order of their indices. So x raised to power 4 will come first, then x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 12 divided by, here also we will take like that only, x square plus 2. So it goes easy. X square into x square will be x raised to power 4. What we want first term. So x square plus 2 into x square will give you x raised to power 4 plus 2x square. Simplify here. This term will get cancelled. Now here you see x square is there. So x cube, below x cube we will not write any term. Directly we will write below x square term. So minus 3x square, and here we will write plus 2x square. It becomes minus only after division sign. So here x cube will come directly here, and this will be minus 5x square plus 3x minus 12 after bringing down this term. Now here we want x cube. So x square into x will give you x cube plus 2x. So again for x square nothing will come, but below 3x 2x will come. So subtract this, x cube minus x cube will be 0. Minus 5x square as it is we have to write, plus 3x minus 2x will be x, and minus 12. Now minus 5x square. These two terms must be the same. So multiply by minus 5 to this term, that is 5x square plus 2. You will get minus 5x square minus 10. Substitute the value and simplify. Minus plus will get 0. X comes down like that only. Minus 12 plus 10 will be minus 2. Now here the term left is x, and there is x square. So here the problem ends. So quotient here will be x square plus x minus 5, and remainder will be x minus 2 as shown here. Next, a raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 3 plus a square minus a plus 1 divided by a cube minus 2. So here we are taking the terms. Here it is a raised to power 4. Here it is a raised to power 3. So multiply by a, we will get a raised to power 4 minus 2a. Now here you see for a cube no term is there, for a square no term is there, directly it is for a term. Therefore we have written like this. So a raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4, remainder will become 0, minus a cube will come down, a square will come down. Now minus a plus 2a, it will be a only, and plus 1 will come down. Again, next we have to concentrate on first term, that is minus a cube. So multiply by minus 1 to this term a cube minus 2, you will get minus a cube plus 2. Substitute here the value, you will get minus a cube plus 2, sign changes plus and minus. So minus a cube plus a cube will become 0, a square will come down, a will come down, plus 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. So quotient will be a minus 1, remainder will be a square plus a minus 1. Quotient will be a minus 1 and remainder will be a square plus a minus 1. Next problem, 4x raised to power 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. Here you see in the index form raised to power 2 is missing. So we will add here, adding the missing term. Here it is shown. So 4x raised to power 4 minus 5x cube plus 0x square. It will be 0 only. Minus 7x plus 1 for our understanding. So here divided by 4x minus 1. Here it is 4x raised to power 4. So multiply by x cube to this term. Explanation is shown here. If you multiply by x cube, we'll get 4x raised to power 4 minus x cube. Writing here, simplify, plus 4x raised to power 4 minus 4x raised to power 4, remainder will 0. Minus 5x cube plus x cube, it will be minus 4x cube. Bring down the other terms here. Minus 4x cube plus 0x square. Here we will think of minus 4x cube. So multiply by x square, it will be minus 4x cube. Explanation is given here, minus 4x cube plus x square. Simplify this term will become 0. Now here you see 0x square minus x square, answer will be minus x square. That's why we have taken here 0 term, because x square term will come. So here minus x square, bring down the other terms, minus 7x plus 1. Now think about x square. Now you will say, sir, here only the problem ends there, but here multiply by 4 is there, we can simplify further. So here we are multiplying by minus x by 4. So 4 divided by 4 will get cancelled. X into x will be minus x square. So your explanation is given. This term multiplied by minus x by 4. 4 will get cancelled. What is left is minus x square. Minus 1 into minus x by 4. It will be plus x by 4. Simplify this. So here in the quotient it will be minus x by 4. And answer will come to minus x square plus x by 4. Simplify this. You will get minus plus x square will get cancelled. Minus 7x minus x by 4. If you simplify this by LCM method, you will get minus 29x by 4 plus 1. Now to get minus 29x by 4, here we multiply 4x minus 1 into minus 29 by 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. So minus 29x upon 4 it will come. This first term. Now minus 1 into minus 29 by 6, minus minus will become plus. It will come plus 29 by 16. So here it comes this. Simplify this. Minus plus will become 0 here. Plus 1 minus 29 by 16. You know how to simplify the LCM. 1 minus 29 by 16. You will get minus 13 upon 16. So here the quotient comes to x cube minus x square minus x by 4 minus 29 by 16, and remainder will come minus 13 by 16. So here the quotient and the remainder is given. Here nothing. This is nothing here. Okay. So in the next video we are going to study new chapter. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Thank you.